Hello! I have been living and working on the gorgeous Celebrity Silhouette for most of this year as a guest entertainer. In this video, I will be doing a quick fire tour of the cabin I've had the pleasure of living in so that you can make a more informed choice when choosing your own cabin. This is me and this is the cabin. So this is cabin number 3118. It's an outside cabin on deck 3 with a window. In the middle of the room there is a huge bed which I can assure you is super comfy. You get 2 pillows on each side and a good section of storage above. Either side of the bed there are little tables. We have the phone on this side and each side has its own bedside light. Here's a view from the far end of the cabin so you can really see the space you get. And over this side of course is the window. Here is a peek inside the wardrobe so you can get a good feel of the space, and you do get hangers. This is a sofa. It is super spacious and positioned opposite the TV for perfect viewing. There's quite a lot going on in this part of the room. You have the TV and other amenities. This is where you'll get information of what's happening and where the ship is each day. This room has a safe to store your valuables and a mini fridge just below with a few minibar items. On top here is a kettle and everything you need to make tea and coffee. This little area just next to it has a mirror, outlets and a chair so you can be seated. Just behind the chair there is a sneaky drawer in there too. That's pretty much it from this side of the room, so let's move to the bathroom. The bathrooms on this ship are great as they are really spacious. On the left hand side just here are the towel rails and you are given fresh towels each day. This little glass cabinet is great. There is a hairdryer in there as well as fresh glasses, and there is loads of space to store all of your toiletries. There is a huge mirror, great lighting and some little drawers below, as well as a big shelf for storage under the sink. You get other amenities like tissues, face cloths, hand lotion and soap, and the sink is my favourite part of the bathroom as I just think it looks super stylish. This is a shower and again it's a great size. The doors open from the middle out and you get shampoo, conditioner and body wash included. If you'd like to see more, I have a tour of a guest cabin with a balcony which is very similar to this room, and I also have a full ship tour of the Silhouette. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and it's bye from me.